then it is in the form of compound angle sin of a plus b. So sin of a plus b can be written as sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. For the other compound angle, for this we use this as 2 cos square theta minus 1. So when you observe RHS is made up of only cos. So convert sin square to what? Cos. 3 theta they have given. 3 theta we wrote it as 2 theta plus theta. 3 can be written as 2 plus 1. What is tan of a plus b? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So these are the basics to derive this. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of multiple angles. So now these are the standard 5 mark questions. Prove that sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is a multiple angle and you have to remember this formula also. Now they wanted to prove sin 3 theta as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. In order to do this, we convert this multiple angle to compound angle. See, what we do is simple. 3 theta, we can write it as 2 theta plus theta. This is one step. And we use sin of a plus b. What is sin of a plus b, dear students? All of you know sin of a plus b can be written as sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So we use these two techniques. 3 theta can be written as 2 theta plus theta. Sin of a plus b can be written as sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now we'll take LHS. So consider LHS. In LHS they have given sin 3 theta. They have given sin 3 theta in LHS. That's what I have taken. So now all of you know 3 theta can be written as sin of 2 theta plus theta. I can write 3 theta as what? 2 theta plus theta. Now this is in the form sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So it will become sin 2 theta cos theta plus cos 2 theta sin theta. I am using the formula sin of a plus b. What is sin of a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. See here, sin of 2 theta plus theta is sin 2 theta cos theta plus cos 2 theta sin theta. Now we want all the terms in terms of sin. If you see the RHS, every term is made up of sin. So convert cos to sin. So now sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta, multiple angle. I am writing sin 2 theta. All of you know sin 2 theta formula. What is sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta into cos theta. So now here we have sin 2 theta, that I wrote 2 sin theta cos theta into cos theta, plus we have cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is cos 2 theta into we have sin theta. Dear students, in the place of cos 2 theta, I am writing cos 2 theta. See, here cos 2 theta you can write cos square or sin square. So better we write it in terms of, this is also fine, or better I write it in terms of sin. Why? Because we want every term in terms of sin. Cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. You know cos 2 theta we have 4 formats. I am using one of the format of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now further we need to simplify. So we have 2 times sin theta cos theta into cos theta, 2 times sin theta into cos theta into cos theta, then plus 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta into sin theta. Simplify this further. 2 let it be, sin theta let it be. So cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta, plus sin theta into 1 is sin theta, minus 2 sin square theta into sin theta is sin cube theta. Further simplify this. So now 2 sin theta cos square theta plus sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta is that. So here we have cos square theta. When you observe RHS, all the terms are made up of sin. So convert this particular term sin. See here we have cos square also you convert to sin square, 2 sin theta. Instead of cos square theta you can write 1 minus sin square theta plus sin theta minus 2 sine cube theta. So go on simplifying this. Multiply this 2 into sine theta, 2 sine theta into 1 is 2 sine theta minus 2 into sine theta into sine square theta becomes sine cube theta. Sine theta into sine square theta becomes sine cube theta plus sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta. Now like terms you simplify. Here you can see 2 sine theta and here you have sin theta. 2 sine theta plus sine theta becomes 3 sine theta. So I'm adding the like terms. Here we have 2 sine theta, here we have sine theta. 2 sine theta plus sine theta gives you 3 sine theta. Now minus 2 sine cube theta minus 2 sine cube theta becomes minus 4 sine cube theta. So this is your RHS. If you observe, this is what we need. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Sine 3 theta, we proved it as 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Dear students, what is most important is remember this formula, because again we'll use this for problems. And to solve this, what is the hint? 3 theta they have given. 3 theta we wrote it as 2 theta plus theta. 3 can be written as 2 plus 1. Then it is in the form of compound angle sine of A plus B. So sine of A plus B can be written as sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So it will become sine 2 theta cos theta plus cos 2 theta sine theta. Further, if you simplify, we have to use, to simplify we use multiple angles. Sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta we have 4 formats: cos square theta minus sine square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sine square theta, and 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. I am using 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Why? Because when you observe RHS is made up of only what? Sine. So that's why the relevant formula is what? Cos 2 theta. Write it in the form of sine. Cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So after you simplify, you will get sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta is what? 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. I hope all of you got this. Next, prove that cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Again we use the same technique. 3 theta, all of you know 3 theta can be written as 2 theta plus theta. Can we write 3 theta as 2 theta plus theta? And we'll get cos compound angle, cos of A plus B. You should know cos of A plus B formula. What is cos of A plus B? Cos of A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So these two are the basics. Now we'll take LHS like last case. In LHS we have cos 3 theta. I am writing cos 3 theta. Further, cos 3 theta can be written as cos of 2 theta plus theta. Further, now this is in the form of cos of A plus B. What is cos of A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So it will become cos 2 theta cos theta minus sin 2 theta sin theta. So now after reaching this stage, observe the RHS. RHS is made up of cos. So that's why cos 2 theta, we have cos 2 theta here. So cos 2 theta you can write it as 2 cos square theta minus 1. It's one of the expansion for cos 2 theta. And sin 2 theta you can write it as 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now we'll do that. So here we have cos 2 theta, we'll write it as 2 cos square theta minus 1 into outside we have cos theta minus sin 2 theta, we can write it as 2 sin theta into what? Cos theta, sin 2 theta into we have one more sin theta. Now further we need to simplify this. So we have 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1 into outside we have cos theta minus 2 sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta, 2 sin square theta into cos theta. Now multiply 2 into cos square is 2 cos square into cos square, cos becomes 2 cos cube theta minus 2 ones are 2, 2 cos theta. Further we have minus 2 sin square theta into cos theta. See here, observe the terms. We have 2 cos cube theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin square theta into cos theta. So when you observe RHS made up of only cos. So convert sine square to what? Cos. So here we have 2 cos cube theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 into, in spite of sine square, write it as what? 1 minus cos square theta into what? Cos theta. Simplify this further, so it will become 2 cos cube theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 minus into minus plus, so multiply the terms at a time here. Minus 2 into cos theta is minus 2 cos theta, minus into minus plus, 2 ones are 2, cos square theta into cos theta is cos cube theta. Okay, observe 2 cos square theta minus 1 into cos theta, it will become 2 cos cube theta. 1 into cos theta is minus cos theta, so it is minus cos theta here. So it continues. Now minus cos theta minus 2 cos theta, minus cos theta, simplify the terms now. 2 cos cube theta minus 2 cos cube theta, 2 cos cube theta plus, see this is 2 cos cube theta plus 2 cos cube theta, 2 plus 2 is 4. So first term and last term if you add, it will become 4 cos cube theta. Now you are left out with minus cos theta minus 2 cos theta. Again these two are like terms, minus cos theta minus 2 cos theta. So 4 cos cube theta minus cos theta is minus 3 cos theta. So now this is your RHS. So this is your RHS. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Dear students, you should also become thorough with cos 3 theta formula. What is cos 3 theta? Cos 3 theta is 4 times cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So now first multiple angle is sin 3 theta. Second multiple angle is cos 3 theta. Now tan 3 theta. So they'll ask you to prove tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Again here we use same technique, that is 3 theta, the multiple angle, I'll write it as 2 theta plus theta. Again we'll get a situation that is tan of A plus B. What is tan of A plus B? All of you know tan of A plus B can be written as tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So once you are thorough with the compound angles, then only you can derive multiple angles. What is tan of A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Other than that, you should also know tan 2 theta formula. What is tan 2 theta? Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So now we'll take LHS and we'll arrive at what? RHS. So take LHS. What is LHS given? LHS given is tan 3 theta, and all of you know 3 theta can be written as, tan 3 theta can be written as tan of 2 theta plus theta. Now it is in the form of tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B can be written as tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. That will become 1 minus tan 2 theta into what? Tan theta. Here we have tan 2 theta formats. All of you know tan 2 theta can be written as 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan squared theta. So here use multiple angle for this. So tan 2 theta can be written as 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta plus tan theta. In denominator we have again 1 minus tan 2 theta can be written as what? 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta into tan theta. So now let us simplify the terms. So now we have this format: 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta plus tan theta by 1 minus 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta into tan theta. Means wherever tan 2 theta is there, we are substituting its value. Now further, 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta, then we have plus tan theta, whole thing divided by 1 minus 2 tan theta by 1 minus 2 tan theta. So if you observe, 2 tan theta into tan theta is 2 tan square theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So now take LCM for numerator. For numerator, if you take LCM, it will be 1 minus tan square theta, and the first term will be 2 tan theta plus 1 into tan theta is tan theta minus tan square theta into tan theta is tan cube theta, whole thing divided by, again LCM is 1 minus tan square theta Cross multiply, you'll get 1 minus tan square theta minus 2 tan square theta. So now I can cancel 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta. Whatever left out terms, please simplify them. So now all of you know 2 tan theta plus tan theta. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 tan theta plus tan theta becomes 3 tan theta minus we have tan cube theta divided by, in the denominator we have 1 minus. See dear students, minus tan theta minus 2 tan, minus tan square theta minus 2 tan square theta becomes minus 3 tan square theta, like terms. This is your RHS. Check your RHS. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So therefore you should also memorize tan 3 theta formula. What is tan 3 theta? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is the compound angle. So now all of you know how to derive sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta. So summary is simple. So you have to remember the multiple angles. Sin 3 theta, the derivations are important for 5 marks. What is sin 3 theta, dear students? That is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. And what is cos 3 theta? Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. What is tan 3 theta, dear students? Tan 3 theta is, we just now derived that. That is that 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by, for any tan, the first term in denominator is 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So we call them as multiple angles of 3 theta. So in order to derive this, we took the support of sin 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta, dear students? 2 sin theta cos 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. And also we use cos 2 theta in 2 different forms. For this we use 1 minus 2 sin square theta. For the other compound angle, for this we use this. We use this as 2 cos square theta minus 1. And we use sin of A plus B. We use cos of A plus B. Also we use tan of A plus B. So you should also know the compound angles. What is sin of A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is cos of A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is tan of A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So these are the basics to derive this, and today you have learned multiple angles. Please sit and revise them and become thorough. So most important. So let us simplify this. Simplify sin 3 theta minus sin 3 theta by sin theta minus cos 3 theta by cos theta. So in order to simplify, we'll take the term given sin 3 theta by sin theta minus cos 3 theta by cos theta. So now take LCM for this. If you take LCM, LCM is product of denominator, that will be sin theta into cos theta. Numerator, if you cross multiply, you will get sin 3 theta into cos theta minus cos 3 theta into cos theta into sin theta. We are taking LCM, means cross multiply this into this and this into this. Now it is in the form sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. What is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B? Sin of A minus B. Or if you know the formula for sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B is what? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Or vice versa. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B can be written as sin of A minus B. So now this numerator I can write it as sin of 3 theta minus theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Further, sin of 3 theta minus theta gives you sin 2 theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So observe the numerator. In the numerator we have sin 2 theta. In denominator we have sin theta cos theta. So now sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta divided by, in denominator we have sin theta cos theta. So I can cancel these two and answer is 2. There are two methods. Either they'll ask you to simplify like this, or the same question they'll ask you to prove is equal to 2, means RHS is equal to 2. They may also ask you to prove, or they'll ask you to simplify. When you simplify, you'll get what? 2. I hope all of you got this. There are two methods. One more method is sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta formula. You write and take cos common and simplify. The other one is convert it into compound angle. That will be better and easier. It will become sin 2 theta, and sin 2 theta you rewrite and you will get the answer. So now we are done with standard problems of compound angles. Please, and using that we derived multiple angles. Today in class we have derived sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, tan 3 theta. All three are most important. Remember the formula and practice the problems. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.